guys, today this is me, Brooklyn, and today I'm going to be making a music video called I'm in Tornado Alley. Now guys, you can relate to this song if you live in Tornado Alley too. Alright, let's start. Oh, and plus, hit the subscribe button so that you can be a winner of that one time you can be a winner. And I don't know what winner you will be of, but I know you will be a winner. Okay, let's get started. One time I was in Georgia. And then I saw on my phone, I saw a house that I wanted to be at, and it said it was in Florida. I really wanted to go. Then I saw a house that was in Texas, and I wanted to go so badly. So I asked my mom and dad, they said yes. And then we went. And then in the morning, there was a tornado, and I had 100 of them. It was my 101st one. I ran up to my room, and I sang, I'm in Tornado Alley. I'm in Tornado Alley. I'm in Tornado Alley. I had something to share. And guys, pause the video, and we have someone to say hello. He just came here to play. You'll see him in the video in the background, but that's okay. Now and we have somebody that's about to come, and she's my sister. So you want to say hi? Hey, Taco Bell! Hey, and she said, hey, Taco Bell. So maybe that should be our new thing. Whatever. Hey, Taco Bell! So, hey, guys, the question of the day is, well, let her decide it. The question of the day is, are you in Tornado Alley? We are not. We're lucky. Just say, the question of the day should be, have you ever been to Taco Bell before? No, it's Tornado Alley, okay? So, back to the song. After a tornado, I rode the bus for school, and then what I saw was, I saw a tornado. I saw a tornado, and it ruined the bus. I almost got injured. After when I got home, I said, I'm in Tornado Alley. I'm in Tornado Alley. I'm in Tornado Alley. I had something to share. I'm in Tornado Alley. I'm in Tornado Alley. I'm in Tornado Alley. I had something to share. So guys, that was I'm in Tornado Alley, and the winner of today for subscribing to my video is my sister. She subscribed to my channel because guys, now I have 6 subscribers, and it's all because of her. Probably can't be all because of me. That's because she subscribed to my channel, and some of my other family members did. So they will be the winner next time. But my sister wants to say, since she's the winner, she gets to say bye first.
Bye-bye, Taco Bell.
Okay? And he says,
bye-bye. No.